If you recently logged into your WordPress dashboard to edit a page or a post and you found something you weren't expecting called the code editor, don't worry. This video will show you how to get your familiar dashboard back in a matter of seconds. Go to Add a New Plugin and enter the search term Disable Gutenberg. Install the plugin, activate it, and then take a deep breath. Oh, and by the way, this is a brand new YouTube channel for me. I just started it in late 2018 because after 14 years of working in corporate and agency marketing, I was tired of working 10, 12, and 14 hours a day to help these large corporations grow their business. I know that what works for large companies works for small businesses too, and my goal for 2019 is to share that with you, the small business owner. I've got more than just WordPress tips on the way, so if you want to grow your business with online marketing, click to subscribe below.
I have been eating cookies after every meal for an entire week, so now it's time to get back to work.
If you have any questions at all, please post them in the comments. And now that your code editor issue is fixed, I hope you have a great start to 2019.